So you're a tenant in a commercial unit, whether that is a shop floor, an office space, or a factory. It is really, really important that you understand your insurance obligations and what you need to be aware of. The first thing to be aware of is contents insurance. That is the tenant's responsibility to arrange and to pay for, and it's important that you do so. The second type is buildings insurance. In 99% of cases, the landlord will deal with that, although that will be set out in the lease. Although the landlord is arranging it, in most cases it will be at the tenant's cost. So you as tenant need to be aware of the fact that you will be paying for that insurance, even though the landlord is arranging it. It's really important that if your lease says that the landlord will arrange buildings insurance, that you don't go out and get your own insurance, because that could have the effect of invalidating both policies and therefore leave the building completely uninsured. If you have questions about taking on a new commercial unit and you want to talk to someone who is able to help you with that, drop me a message or comment below this video and you'll be able to hop on a call, a free legal advice call with a member of our team to chat through what your obligations are and how we can help.